у нас необычная лекция. Ее читает один из самых знаменитых геронтологов мира, Aubrey de Grey из Кембриджа, который, как мне кажется, лучше всех иллюстрирует положение, высказанное в свое время Петром Ильичем Капицей, что наукой надо заниматься весело.
Thank you very much, Vladimir, for that beautiful introduction. And thank you all for coming to listen to what I have to say. I will spend a few minutes giving a general introduction to the way that I think we can combat aging very effectively within 20 or 30 years. And then I will talk about some very exciting recent progress in this area. So that's all I have to say. Thank you very much.
Any questions?
That's another possibility.
One more.
Or of course it could be nucleus and then mitochondria, but that's not very much.
No, but the fact is there's two different receptors.
So I'm saying this is actually correct. This hypothesis is very unlikely because it would require signaling from the mitochondria to the nucleus of a sort that we should have found that. If it's like this, then we don't have to worry about what you just said. If this is no longer there, then this doesn't work either, but it doesn't need to because the same proteins are still being expressed down here.
Известный британский биогеронтолог господин Aubrey de Grey. Aubrey, пожалуйста, давайте поприветствуем. Это первый визит.
Thank you very much, and thank you all for coming to hear what I have to say. First of all, I will speak about the general principle of what aging is and the ways in which we might be able to combat it. And I will explain why I think one of those approaches is much more promising than the others. Then in the second part of the talk, I will explain in some more detail what my approach for combating aging is. But as you will see, the approach is very complicated. It has many parts, so I will not be able to explain everything in detail. Therefore, in the third part of the talk, I will explain in more detail just one of the 7 parts. That will be the main biology part of the talk. After that, I will talk about the longer term future, and I will explain why I think that the therapies described in part 2 of the talk will be improved later. I will also explain why I believe that those improvements will probably allow us to defeat aging completely. Then, in the next part of the talk, I will describe the work of the foundation that I run and some of our partner organizations. And finally, at the end, so that you can see the sort of thing that you as biologists, if you are biologists, might want to do, I will just briefly mention again some promising areas of research.